Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be doing well and taking good care of yourselves. Today we are going to start the exercise, and in exercise of unit number 1 we are going to start from vocabulary part. So let's get started with part A. Part A is write the contextual meaning of the following words and then consult a thesaurus to find out the synonyms of the following words. Now, dear students, I am going to tell you what are the contextual meanings of the following words, and then it would be your home assignment to find out the meanings of the words, synonyms of the words from the thesaurus. Now, what is a thesaurus? It's just a type of dictionary in which a detailed information of a single word is given. You can consult a simple dictionary for that matter too. So the first word is dazzling. उर्दू में हम इसको कहते हैं चमकता हुआ, तुंदो तेज़. Extremely bright. Imagination, तसव्वुर, abstract ideas. Remarkable, गैर मामूली, extraordinary. Composed, तरतीब दिया हुआ या लिखा हुआ, in written form. Preservation, तहफ़्फ़ुज़, safety. Bestowed, अता किया, confer as a gift. Message, पैगाम, communication, report, memorandum, word, anything contextually, because message was his final words. This word has been also used in your text, so you can also write the answer as word. Superstition, तोहम परस्ती, doubted beliefs or false notion. Abandon, तर्क कर देना, ख़त्म कर देना. Give up, to resign, to renounce, to desert. Okay, this is our next exercise, that is exercise number B. Match column A and B to find out the meanings of the words. Now, in first column you are given the words, and in second column you are given the jumbled up meanings of the column of the words that are in column A. So you're supposed to match it. Charm, attraction. Compose, write. Civilization, culture. Faith, belief. Eradicate, eliminate. Eloquent, fluent. Bestowed with, to confer as a gift. Demolish, destroy. Proselytizing, preaching. Everlasting, never ending. Embodiment, living example. Chaos, confusion. Verge, edge. Wonder, surprise. Dignity, pride. So I have also attached the solve exercise with your planner as well. You can consult or get back to the planner for further details. Now we are moving towards exercise number C. Use the following words in sentences. So these are the words. I am going to tell you the meanings of the following words, and you are supposed to make the sentences of your own. Century, sadi. Conquest, fatah. Influential, baasar. Determination, azm. Delegation, wafd, a group of people that represents your country. Quietly, खामोशी से. Urge, ख्वाहिश. Ignorance, जिहालत. Now dear students, we are moving towards our next part in which they are explaining you what is affixation process and what are suffixes and what are prefixes. In your previous classes you must have studied about prefixes and suffixes, and you might have an idea that affix or affixes are the small meaningful or meaningless words that are attached to a stem word. For example, we have a word author, सो दिस इज़ अ स्टेम वर्ड, अ रूट वर्ड, जिसको छोटा करके मज़ीद हम कोई और वर्ड नहीं बना सकते. एंड when we add a suffix or prefix with it, it becomes a new word. So when we add a prefix, it's mean we are adding a meaningless or a meaningful small word in front of the in the start of the word. And if it is a suffix, then we are adding a meaningful or a meaningless small word at the end of the root word or the stem word. So here, when it becomes co-author, in this word, author is the stem word and co is the prefix added with it. Now a question arises that do we add a hyphen in every prefix or suffix word? The answer is no. It is a requirement of a word that in few words we add hyphen in it and in few words we don't, as you can see in the examples given below. So these are the few examples. In the free time, you can go through all these examples to further practice your concept. So this is the exercise in which you are said or you are asked, add appropriate prefixes or suffixes to the following root words to make other words. One, oneness, as we are using NESS. Now it is again a meaningless word, but when it is attached to the root word, it is conveying a proper meaning. Oneness, wahdaniyat. Belief, disbelief. Paralleled, unparalleled. Now here un is not a meaningless word. It's un which means to negotiate, to negate, sorry. Justice, injustice. फ्लेंचिंग मीन्स जी चुराना किसी चीज़ से. अनफ्लेंचिंग, बिला झिझक जिस चीज़ से जी ना चुराना. नॉलेज एबल. कंस्ट्रक्शन, कंस्ट्रक्शनल, और इट कैन बी कंस्ट्रक्शनल से ये कंस्ट्रक्टेड भी हो सकता है, अनकंस्ट्रक्टेड भी हो सकता है. एक रूट वर्ड को यूज़ करते हुए हम बहुत सारे न्यू वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं थ्रू प्रीफिक्सेस एंड सफिक्सेस. So this is it for today, dear students. We have completed our vocabulary part today. We'll be starting from, inshallah, the grammar part from tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.